Hi, in this video I want to show how to arrange circles in diminishing size in Illustrator. First up, I copied and pasted a color interval, and I'm going to use my eyedropper tool to select a color, select a circle, and hold my shift key down to make sure it's round. Now I want to use diminishing size circles, so that means that the brightest, warmest, highest key color circle I want to be the biggest, and I want that to come forward in space. Okay, I have to click in the background to release that. Then I want to get my eyedropper tool again. I'm going to just make a few colors just to illustrate my concept here. I'm going to hold my shift key down and make a circle that's somewhat smaller in that intermediate color. Click the, oops, nope, cancel. Have to get the move tool, one of the tools, click the background to release it, get my eyedropper tool. Again, like I said, I'm just showing a few of these. Okay, now I want to draw another circle. Hold my shift key down to make it smaller. Grab a move tool, click the background to release it, and again I'm going to use one more color, one more circle, make another smaller circle. Now I just placed these randomly just to illustrate the different sizes that I'm working with here. Now in the layers panel I can click that open, and I want to change the order of them, arrange them in space so I can create a sense of depth. Now if I show you where these are in relationship to each other, you can see how the one that I drew first is behind the other ones, right? Why? Because I drew it first, and therefore it's layered behind the ones that I drew second, third, and fourth, right? So the shape that you make first, if I wanted to work with this by order of the direction in which I had initially wanted them to be, which is the smallest circle in the back, increasing the size and the increasing the warmth of the color, because blue is cool and red is warm, to gradually increase that color and size, I would have started with a smaller circle. But because I didn't, here's how I can change them. I can, in the layers panel, drag the circles around in space so that each one is layered in the direction in which I want it to appear in space. So now each one of these is layered the way I want them to, from the foreground to the background.